Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate trading commissions with Webull, full guide step by step clearly. To automate trading commissions with Webull, start by logging into your Webull account. Navigate to the main dashboard once you are logged in. Look for the Markets tab on the bottom menu and tap on it. Select the trading instrument you wish to automate governance for, like stocks or options. After selecting an instrument, click on the Trade button to begin setting up your trade. Next, choose the order type you want to automate, such as market or limit. Enter the quantity of shares or contracts you wish to trade. Scroll down to the order type section and find the advanced options. In the advanced options, locate the automation settings. Set up the conditions under which the trade should be executed. You can specify parameters like price points or timeframes for automation. Consider enabling alerts for notifications on trade actions. After setting your conditions, review all the details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, tap the Submit button to finalize your automated trade parameters. Monitor your trades in the Orders section for updates on execution. Adjust your settings as needed based on trading performance or market conditions. To enhance your strategy, consider regularly reviewing your automated trades. Make sure to stay informed on any changes in Webull's policies or features related to automated trading. This will help you maximize your trading efficiency while using Webull's platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.